And some news just coming in at this point in time. We're talking about the Comptroller and Auditor General report on health, which is going to be tabled at 3 this afternoon. CAG showdown to resume in Parliament. India Today has access details of this bombshell report. COVID funds were not fully used, leading to shortage of essential drugs. These are reports that will be tabled today. Only 1,000 new hospital beds were added, while hospital plots worth over 600 lakh rupees lay unused. The CAG report on health shows various discrepancies in usage of funds, and this is going to be tabled. Today is what we are learning. Various discrepancies as far as healthcare infrastructure, utilization of funds, etc. is concerned. Around 1,000 new hospitals bed were added, while many were in fact promised, and infrastructure lay unused is what the CAG reported details on. It's going to be tabled today at 3 o'clock is what we know. It's going to be tabled in Parliament at 3 o'clock. The showdown clearly to resume in the Assembly at 3 this afternoon. It's going to be tabled in the Assembly, in the Delhi Assembly today at 3 o'clock is what we know. Remember, these are details that we have with us as far as laying of the CAG report on the table within the Assembly, in the Assembly by the BJP government is concerned. COVID funds were not fully used, leading to shortage of essential drugs. Masks, only around 1,000 new hospital beds were added. Hospital plots over 600 lakh rupees lay unused. The BJP is cornering the Aam Aadmi Party government on this same, talking about the fact that the AAP's model of governance vis-a-vis health and the kind of infrastructure that they had promised will be created was not created. Funds lay unused, and hospital infrastructure was woefully missing in terms of the hospital beds, ICU units, mortuaries, not being created by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government. The CAG report, Shreya, is going to be tabled in the Assembly today as is protocol. After much delay, we will be seeing, in fact, more fireworks in the Assembly and the floor of the Assembly as this is tabled.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. To give a sense of the understanding, this is the health report on a last 6 years performance of the Delhi government that was actually prepared in 2024 and not tabled. That will be tabled today in the Assembly. This is the second of the 14 reports that the BJP has suggested that they will be tabling in the Delhi Assembly. India Today has accessed some of the details of the CAG report, and it's horrific to learn that during COVID, funds were not properly utilized. Even now, there are hospitals where there are not proper ICU beds, no proper oxygen facilities, 24/7 facilities in hospitals like Shushruta, Trauma Care, Lok Nayak Hospital for senior citizens. These facilities still don't exist. There have been 15 lands allocated for the hospitals. That hasn't been utilized. So it's touched upon 13 broad aspects. It will be tabled at 3 p.m. There will be a discussion subsequently on Monday is what we understand, and then it will be going to the Public Actions Committee. So this is what's going to transpire from here. But clearly, Sneha, it's a really unfortunate incident to learn that this is the kind of an audit which is coming out from the national capital. We can only imagine how worse the things can be in the other parts of the country.
Well, absolutely. Shreya, when infrastructure is not created and money is not utilized, it raises several questions about the kind of work that has been done, or rather not been done, and this will too. I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details that you're telling us from the Delhi Assembly at this point in time. Showdown expected as that report will be tabled at 3 this afternoon in the Assembly.